Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your level, the map fragment, Comet shard, and 5 energy vials. Go immediately to the observatory gate. Once there, use Mara's key or finish the first side quest to open it. Move to coordinates X, 124Y, 78 as night falls because the comet marker only appears between 22:00 and 02:00 game time. Stay alert and save before entering. This ensures you can retry without losing progress and explains why preparation. Once you're at the altar, ignite it using exactly 3 energy vials in a clockwise sequence and do it within 12 seconds. Timing matters because the altar resets if delayed. Place the comet shard on the central plate and keep still until the marker stabilizes. Moving interrupts calibration. Then activate your sight skill to reveal hidden beams and align them to form the comet sigil. Make adjustments slowly, because precision alignment determines whether the marker will register as valid or remain dormant. You finish by pressing the confirmation glyph once the sigil alignment shows a steady green glow and you hear the chime. This seals the comet marker. Then claim the marker reward at the observatory console and check your map to ensure the marker appears. If it fails, reload your save, clear any status debuffs that disrupt calibration, and repeat beam alignment within 2 minutes to avoid the spawn window closing. One key troubleshooting tip: always clear stamina drains before relighting the altar, since low stamina breaks timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.